Welcome back to Code with Hafiz. In today's session, we are going to create a very first PDF file using Python in just a few lines of code. If you are working on automation, reporting, invoicing, or any document generating system, this skill is a must. Let's start. So first of all, we need a library. Let me write a command to install this library. Pip install FPDF. So we need this FPDF. Think of FPDF as a tool that helps Python create PDF documents, pages, fonts, text, and everything. So I just install it in my virtual environment. So you have to install this. Then from FPDF import FPDF. Then PDF FPDF. From PDF dot add underscore page PDF dot set underscore font, and I will provide here the font is Arial, and then the size will be, let's say, 16. So after that, from PDF dot cell, inside this I will provide 0 and 10, then code with Hafiz, and then I will provide ln equal to true. Don't worry, I will explain each and everything. Just focus on code, and then I will pass C here. So after that, PDF dot output, and the name of the file will be here. Let's say hello dot PDF. Save the code, and if I run generator pdf.py, as you see I am getting error due to this line. This is set underscore, just update set underscore font, clear the terminal, run the code. So this will be a line. Make sure the spelling will be okay. So if I run now, you will see our code is running successfully. If I open the folder, as you see I am getting hello.pdf. The file is generated successfully with font, with cell and add. Let me open this PDF file. As you see I am getting code with Hafiz. Let me explain this code. On the first line, from FPDF import FPDF, this line imports the FPDF class from the FPDF library. On this line, here we create an object named PDF. This object is now our empty PDF file. We will add page, add text, and finally save it, all using this PDF object. PDF dot add underscore page. This line adds a blank page to the PDF. PDF files can have one page or multiple pages. Right now we are creating the first page where our text will be written. PDF dot set underscore font. Now we choose the font style and font size. Here I am using Arial with a font size of 16, which is good for heading. If we don't set the font, FPDF won't know how to draw a text. And PDF.cell we pass 0, 10, code with Hafiz, ln true, align C. 0 means the width will be auto, 10 height of the text box, and then the text code with Hafiz display. Then we have ln equal to true. This will help us to move to the next line after printing. And align equal to C, center the text. So this creates a centered heading on top of the page. PDF.output hello.pdf. This is the final step. This line saves the PDF with the file name hello.pdf. After running the script, you will see the PDF in your project folder. Congratulations, you just create a PDF using Python. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.